All right, Dave, where are we at?
Shifting cables.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we just ran the clutch line. I would say this is probably the biggest pain in the you-know-what ever, right? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This is FS Garage, and it's a Camry. We have a special guest in the house. Huh? What's up? What? His name is Kenny. What's up, Kenny? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
What's up, guys? Welcome to FS Garage.
Oh, he's good. He's better than you, dude.
Like and subscribe.
Look at Pablito, dude. Kenny, you want to help me describe what's going on right now?
Probably
This
not.
mess that's all over the floor, all those parts for this car.
We got the, starting the manual swap now. It's battery. Yeah.
That's what? That's what?
There's the battery
Oh,
right there.
there's the battery.
We got the,
Yeah. Hey, no wonder you got to check engine light.
Yes.
We're in the middle of doing a manual swap back to E-gear. Just kidding. No, we're going from E-gear to manual. As you can see, there's a hole. So I had to cut that out with a pair of scissors that I had. We took this plate out, which allows you to put, oh, there it is. That device. Alex, you left your lampshade here. Can you put it on? Can you put your lampshade on, please, for us? All right, sorry, getting sidetracked. Right now we've also run the clutch cable. That was a pain in the ass. But there it is hanging there. We're waiting to install that, finish that up. Right now we're removing the E-gear system. This thing is massive. It's right there, reservoir. That whole unit right there, so you know it's from here. It's basically this. This is all your cables connected. Dave is taking the tire off so we can access that. Take a look at the turbos. Next up, we remove this. We're adding the pedals.
Is that a dealer car? No, this is the guy that owns that car. Oh.
Well, what is it? It's like 720.
This lasts. I'm saying this is gonna last hundreds of years. What are we doing, Dave? All those bulky ass actuator lines.
Those poo-poo E-gear lines, man.
Poo-poo E-gear. Dave's a little short, so he has to get up on the step stool. It actually is like our little hangout room at work. So, but we have a car lift in here. It's fun to play around. Just so you guys know, we're not. Well, I'm certifiable. He's certified, right?
Yeah, that's probably certified.
Well, I know the oil filter, basically it runs here and runs down. It's actually super easy to get to. It's just a little messy when you're draining the oil, but there's tricks to it. Take a little trash bag, right underneath. So here's your E-gear. There's a reservoir. I'm like super anal, so I want to like clean off all this. Can you wipe down all that dirt, please?
Really?
Yes.
Let's get, you know what do you,
Just wipe it down.
there's no point in wiping this down because it's all coming out. Like you're removing it.
Look at that scar he's got on the. What was it from? Street fight? Goes all in the top of your head.
Golfing?
That's from golfing?
It's from golfing.
Hitting yourself in the head?
Jumping out of the golf cart while rolling
Drunk?
down a hill. I was 10, so no.
Dude, you didn't do a good job. Give me your hand. Gotta clean it up. Make it look nice. Alright? People are gonna judge. People are gonna talk trash. So you're gonna make sure it's nice and clean. It's the way it is, right? People are gonna probably complain that I'm using some cheap Costco Kirkland signature brand.
I like Kirkland.
I love Kirkland. Ooh, what was that? That's a little thing that sticks out the side.
That was a breather hole for this guy, which doesn't matter because it's getting replaced.
Did it go on the floor?
It went.
Should have dropped it in the first place.
You shouldn't have.
You should have. What are these units here? I always forget what these are. You don't know?
I know what they are, but I don't know the proper name for them, so I'm not about to try.
So just say it.
Nope.
Just try it.
Too smart for
Nobody
that.
else that's watching knows what it is.
Oh, they do.
No, they don't.
They do.
No, they don't.
Vacuum operated diaphragm, quadrizzle valve.
Quadrizzle valve. Do you guys know what the quadrizzle valve is? That's the quadrizzle
I'll
valve.
get these lines out. It'll free up like tons of space, and then we can like actually do a lot of stuff.
What lines?
These.
So we're not gonna be able to drive it on E-gear then. Let's do it. How does the oil lines run up in there?
These are oil lines down here. Those two.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, the other ones are fuel.
Mm-hmm.
That's the fuel rail.
Mm-hmm. Because
Oops.
the tank's over here, the pickups are
Oops. Just kidding. Those are fuel lines. Yeah, because I was like,
here. They go into that guy, which is no fun to put a filter in.
that's welded shut.
What?
Where the old oil used to go. Look, it's welded shut.
Good. I hope you never have to go in there again. Yeah,
Sweet.
Feed and return.
Dude, that's bad. That's where the line is right there. That right there. Dude, sick. Look at that, dude. UGR knows what's up. Stay tuned for the next episode.